Hi, welcome everyone. Can you hear me now? Okay, now let's start. Okay, welcome Pranya, welcome Hamima, welcome HNT, welcome CCW. Thank you for joining our free online lesson today. Okay, I would like to introduce myself first. I'm Eugene Lam. I'm a technical support at acadsystems KL. So today the topic, free online lesson topic is how to create a 3D model house by using a DWG file and create a 3D model house in 3D Max. If you all have any question, feel free to drop your comment at the chat box. Drop your question or comment at the chat box, and I will answer you. Okay, without further ado, let's start now. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen first. Okay, so this is the floor plan that we will going to use today. So I already have saved it as a DWG file. So now I'm going to open it at 3D Max. Okay. Now, so this is our 3D Max, and today I'm going to using 3D Max 2021. If you are using others version, is okay also. Okay, so now I'm going to import our DWG file. But if you want to link with your AutoCAD or Revit or FBX, is okay. If you link with AutoCAD, whatever you do or you change in AutoCAD with your floor plan, it will change also in 3D Max. But now I'm going to import. So when I change my floor plan in AutoCAD, it's not affect my DWG file over here. Okay. So now I'm going to import my floor plan first. Okay, it's very important. You can see you have to mention that you must select the correct units. If you want to using inches, you have to select inches over here. If you want to, but now I'm going to using cm, centimeters, so I'm going to select this cm over now. Welcome, Paris. Okay, now I have import my DWG file. Okay, so this is the DWG file that we're going to use today. Oh, there one more thing is we have to make sure that we are using the right units that we same with the unit that we choose just now. Just now we select cm. So now we are going to select cm over here also. If not, if you select two different units, then maybe your measurement and your 3D model house, it will change. It will be different. Okay. Now you can see we already have a floor plan over here. So the first thing I will want to do is create a wall for our 3D model house first. So click on this first one, and then go to AC extended. So it's this extended and select wall. From here, we have to know, but before we create for the wall or others object or other model, we have to know the measurement of our floor plan. I'm going to show you the measurement for this floor plan. You can see that the width of this wall is 30. So later I will insert 30 for this wall width. And then for this inner wall is 12. So later I will using these two measurement. So now I will go back to 3D Max. I hope you all can see it. If you all cannot see anything, just tell me at the chat box or just open your mic. Okay, so now I'm going to put the width as 30 cm For the height depends on you. You can put 2 meter or 2.5 meter, depends on you. But now I'm going to put 200 cm or 2 meters. And for this justification, I suggest you to choose left or right, either one, because it's easier for us to pick up the point. And now I'm going to choose left. Oh, one more thing is, remember to turn off this snap toggles. And make sure that you are choosing this endpoint, but if you are using center, you select center over here, I suggest you to choose this midpoint. But I think using endpoint is easier for me to pick up the point. So now I'm going to use to choose endpoint. Okay, without further ado, let's start our free analysis today. Okay, just select the endpoint. Okay, now we are hard to see the point, right? So in this case, you can just press Alt X or alternative X to make it transparent. You can see now, we can see the point. Oh, sorry. Okay, just select for the point. We are going to create a wall for this 3D model first. Okay. Okay. Have to make sure you select the, oh, sorry, select the wrong point. Have to make sure you select the correct point. Sorry, my mouse is not function well. But it's okay. Okay. Okay, now we have done our outside wall. Now we are going to create this inner, the smaller wall, which is the width is 12 cm. Oh, sorry. And the height, I will put 200 cm also. The height is not changed. You can start from anywhere, but now I'm going to start from here first. Oh, sorry, I'm choose left. So I have to start from here. Okay, remember what I said just now? We can press LTX to make the wall transparent. It's easier for us to create wall. Sorry. Okay. Okay, just weld them together. Okay, welcome everyone. Okay, let's finish this wall first. For this gap, you can just ignore it. You can just drag the wall and cover the gap. It's okay because later we will add a door at the gap, so it will not affect our wall. We will not affect anything. You can see now I just cover the gap. It's okay. Sorry. Okay. Almost done with our wall. press Alt X to make it transparent. Okay, over here also. Sorry. Okay, now you can see, oh, over here, I forgot this wall. For this, I'm not going to put 200 cm for the height. I'm going to put 130. Okay. It's very easy for you to make this 3D house model because every tools you can just use the AutoCAD, 3D Max, sorry. Okay, now you can see that. Oh, over here. Sorry. Okay, I think we have done with our wall. All right. Now you can see that we have done our wall, and I'm going to group them together. Just open our Screen Explorer first, and then drag all the wall, select all the wall, and right-click and add selected to new group. And I'm going to name this group as wall. Press enter. And I'm going to put them as a light blue. Okay. Now you can see that our wall is finished. Oh, sorry, ignore that these two wall. I'm going to make them transparent again, so easier for us to add our door and our windows. Okay, now we have finished with our wall. So now we're going to add windows first. You can see that we have many types of windows over here, but now I'm going to choose this sliding window. Just drag it. You can just create it first, and then the value you can just enter later. Okay, so I have created a wall, a windows. So now I'm going to create the, I'm going to enter the value. Welcome everyone, welcome Eileen. Okay, for this window, I'm going to put the value, the height as 100, the width as 100 also. And then for depth, I'm going to put 10. Oh, sorry, I have to adjust it a bit for this window. Sorry. I'm going to make it to the right. Okay. And later I will adjust the height of this window, but I have to create, I think I have to create one more windows to show you again. And then one more window is over. Okay, I'm going to create this bathroom windows. I'm going to using this sliding windows also. Okay, just select the point and just create it first, and then the value I will put same with the window just now, 100, sorry, 100 with 100 also, with 10. Okay, just move it a little bit to right. Okay. Okay, I'm going to create these two windows only. Or move, display, paste. Welcome, Naji. Oh, it's okay. I'm going to move this up higher a bit. I'm going to put 50 cm, 50 cm from the ground. Same as this window also. Going to put 50. Oh, this window is a little bit for our bathroom, but it's okay, I don't care. Okay, now you can see that we have done with our windows. Okay, so now I'm going to continue with the doors. Where is the doors? Over here. You also can see that we have 3 types of the doors here. We have pivot, sliding, and B-front door. And now I'm going to create a B-front door as our front door over here. Same as just now, we can create a door first, and then the value we can enter after we create the door. For this door, I'm going to put 180. For the width, I'm going to put 200. Depth 10. Okay. You can control the door you want it open or not. If you want it open, you can just enter a bigger value over here. If you want to open it at all, you can just enter 100 and press enter. And you want it as a double door, just click over here. Or you want it flip swing, just click it. Okay. If you all have any question, feel free to drop your question or comment at the chat box. Okay, now I'm going to create another door, but this time I'm using this pivot door. Okay, just create it first, and then the value I'm going to put in 180 for the height. For width, I'm going to put. Oh, sorry, the wall I'm put the wrong height. It's okay. We just ignore it first because for the width, I'm going to put 180 also, so 170. Just make sure it same with the floor plan. If you put 10, based on you the depth you want to put 10 or 20, so also can. Okay, now I'm going to open this door, make this door open. So I'm going, but I want it open, not open at all. I want it open half only, so I'm going to put 50. And I want it as a double door. Okay, now we have 2 doors at our house model over here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create the cabinet, the side cabinet, by using the doors. Same, I'm using the doors also, but this time I'm using this before. Just select the point. So make sure that you have turned off this snap toggle, because it's easier for you to snap to the point. If not, maybe you'll snap to the wrong place or wrong point. Okay, for this, I'm going to put 180. For width, I'm going to put 200. For depth, I'm going to put, for depth, I'm going to put 100 also. You can see this cabinet is faced to our front door, so I'm going to rotate it. Okay, let's rotate it. And from this, we have to rotate it to 90 degrees. Oh, sorry. On this, we have to turn on this angle snap toggle also. It's easier for us to rotate it. You can see that the increment of angle is increased by 5, but if we did not turn on this, it will increase with decimal. So turn on this angle snap will make you easier to rotate the object or the model. Okay, so now I'm going to shift to left, right. Oh, sorry. I have to change the value a bit. The width, I'm going to put 100, try to 180. Okay. Okay, now it's look red. Okay. I want it open 50%. It's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to create another side cabinet. Same. Select this before. Select this before, and then just pick the point, pick the end point. So as I said just now, it's easier for us if we pick the end point, we select the end point. Oh, sorry. Okay, the height, I'm going to put 180. The width, and I'm going to put 200 and 10. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we are going to rotate it. The same as just now, we have to rotate it to 90 degrees. Make sure this angle snap is turned on. So you can see it's very easier for us to rotate 90 degrees. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to move it to left a little bit. Okay. Okay. I think it's okay now. You can see we already almost done a 3D model house. It's very fast and very simple. Okay. So now I'm going to make it transparent first. Okay, sorry. It's also transparent. For easier to create a floor for this 3D house model. But before create a floor, I'm going to create this stair first. Just click on this and select the stair over here. You can see we have 4 types of stair here. And now I'm going to choose this L type. Just select the endpoint. So the endpoint and drag to the angle, the place that you want to rotate your stair. Okay, just create it first, and then now we are going to enter the value. So it's very important for you to, we have to know the value, the measurement of our floor plan first. So because it's easier for us to enter the value over here. Okay, now the stair, I'm going to put 140 for length 1 and 245 for length 2. Width, I'm going to put 120, angle 90 degree because now we are going to create a L type stair. And then the offset for is 60. You can see offset is changed a little bit. Okay. Now overall, I will put 200. The overall is the stair height overall, because just now the wall we put 200 cm. So in this stair, I'm going to put 200 also. And then the rest you can just leave it. Now I'm going to put this at, I'm going to change it to blue color also. Okay. Now we already done with the 3D house model. Okay. So now the last thing we're going to do is create a floor for our this 3D house model. So just click this second one, this spline, and then select line. There are a few methods to create a floor, but now I'm going to use this floor generator. Later I will show you. This is a plugin in 3D Max. So we have to download it first. You can see that it's very easier for us if we have made it transparent. It's very easier for us to choose the point. Sorry. Okay. Over here, choose the right point. Make sure you choose the correct point. If not, maybe there are some places they are not. There is blank. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Just select endpoint. Okay, just join this spline together and click yes. Okay, as I said just now, I'm going to use the floor generator plugin to generate our floor, this floor. So go to modifier and select the floor generator. Oh, where is it? Okay, over here. Sorry, there are some problem with this plugin. Oh, sorry. I'm going to turn on my 3D Max again. Sorry about that. My laptop is a bit old, so I think it cannot afford my 3D Max because the system requirement for 3D Max is a bit high. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. A minute. Can you all see the 3D Max now? I have shared my 3D Max. Can you all see it right now? I hope that you all can see it. If you all cannot see it, just drop your comment at the chat box. Sorry, I have to do it again. I have to import it again. Okay, so okay, thank you CW, thank you Hanani. Okay, just click OK. Oh, sorry. It's okay, but I will continue with the floor plan. And we just create floor for our this 3D house model. Okay, I say just now, select the line. I remember turn on this snap to toggles and make sure that the endpoint is select. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. So now I will just continue with the floor, with creating floor. Okay, just join it together. And then now go to modifier and select the floor generator. I hope it wouldn't crash again. Where is the floor generator? Okay, over here. You can see I have generated a floor. The second way you generate oh sorry, I forgot this part. The second way you generate the floor is you can just draw a plane. But for me, I prefer using this floor generator. Yes, go to modifier. There are many types of floor pattern over here, but now I didn't download the others pattern, so I'm just using this standard floor pattern. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for our free online lesson today. If you all have any question, you can just drop at the chat box. And now I would like to introduce our ACAD system website. You can just type ACAD. Oh, sorry, I'm going to share the screen first. Okay, I hope you all can see my browser. You all can just type ACAD.com at your browser and press enter. And now this is our ACAD system website. If you have any question or inquiry, you can just create a help desk, create a new ticket at our help desk, or you can just drop your inquiry at this live chat and our agent will reply to you as soon as possible. If you want to rewatch our free online lesson today, you can go to this bottom page and then select this YouTube icon and it will guide you to our ACAD system YouTube channel. You can see we have many free online lessons over here. And we also have upload AutoCAD tutorial for beginners. If you're all interested, you can just watch it. And at our website, we also have many others free online lesson. For example, tomorrow, we have modeling steel structure in advanced steel. This is for beginners. And we also have add constraint to sketches with AutoCAD and many others free online lesson that is coming soon. And if you all want to subscribe the 3D Max, you can just drop your inquiry at our live chat. And if you are subscribed AEC collection, PTMC collection, or the entertainment, media and entertainment collection, the 3D Max is included, so you all can just use it. These 3 collections, so you all can just use it. But if you don't have and you want to subscribe it, you can just drop a comment at our live chat or just create a new ticket at our help desk. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining our free online lesson today. Sorry for the inconvenience today. Thank you everyone. Thank you CCW. Stay safe everyone. Stay home. Thank you. Thank you Nachi. Thank you Anini. I hope you guys are enjoy free online lesson today. All right. I'm going to end this meeting right now. Goodbye everyone. Thank you.